Hey guys, it's me, Ole, and I'm back with another video. And yesterday, I got a very special package. And what was inside the package? Well, it was this. A BlackBerry Passport. Well, we all know the BlackBerry Passport, and it's been out for over 10 years. The box actually says 2014, so 11 years since this phone has been released. But this is not just any BlackBerry Passport here in this box that I got used off eBay. It's actually completely sealed. As you can see, the stickers are still on it and it's never been turned on before. So maybe it lay around for 11 years or 10 years, but I think all boxes of the BlackBerry Passport say 2014, but it's new and I got a good deal on it and I just couldn't say no. And it's kind of special because it's been a while since I've unboxed a brand new BlackBerry on this channel and ever. So let's open this box for the very first time in a long while this has been sitting on a shelf. Well, that has been easy. Let's open it up. And there we go. Well, doesn't smell like the air of 2014, but there we are. Well, this is what we're all here for. All the seals are still on there. It's never been turned on, so let's pick it up. It's actually a white BlackBerry Passport. Very, very nice. I've never seen it in white. I kind of like it. Let's put that to the side. I remember this one. This was a booklet by BlackBerry. And this one was very, very businessy. If you take a look inside, it says BlackBerry Passport. And it's very luxurious. If you look at it, there's the design story of the phone. You can see someone putting it into his suit. There's the white one using it. And it's been such a nice time back in the day when the BlackBerries actually were new and usable. Very, very nostalgic right here. And that's the booklet. What else do we have in the box? Put away this cardboard thing. And when this phone was released, there was still a time where you actually got a charging brick. So there's that. You have earphones. Let's look at those. I'll actually unbox everything today, so you'll get the whole experience. And those earphones are color matched to the phone itself. So let's open them up. Actually, quite nice earphones, I have to say. They have different caps that you can use, so they fit your ear size. And because this phone still uses a 3.5mm headphone jack, you can actually use them. What else do we have in the box? Well, we have this right here, which is the charging cable. It's been a micro USB charging cable, very old school nowadays, since everything uses USB-C, but there might be a way to actually transform this phone into a USB-C phone, but more on that later on. Seems like there's more documentation in here. So a pretty big box here. Actually, it's quite a nice packaging, I have to say. Oh, and those are just papers without end. What do we have here? Okay, well, that's not interesting at all, is it? Well, we have this, the quick start. It's in German, I'm sorry. But it says the first steps that you have to take to set up your device. Oh, and what else do we have here? Oh, it's about the Snapdragon that's inside of the device. And it says, because it's in German, it's no wonder that this phone is so fast and so performant, because in its heart there is a Snapdragon beating. Okay. So this is everything that's included in the box of the BlackBerry Passport. You have the phone itself, you have the booklet, which I really like, you have headphones, earphones more or less, you have a micro USB cable and a charging brick. So this is it. This is the white BlackBerry Passport in all its glory, and it still has all the protective foils and films on there. So let's take them off for the very first time in maybe 10 years or some years. This phone has been built for. Okay, so where do we begin? With the back side, I think. Okay, let's do this. Very nice peel still. It's kind of a hard plastic. It's not that soft, but let's see how it feels in the hands later on. Take off the top cover, which is this one. This one is a little harder. Okay. Then we also have one on the display. Let's peel off this one. Oh, come on. Very nice. And there's the last one here, which is on the camera. So let's take this one off. There's a cover here on the top, just like on the BlackBerry Passport Silver Edition, that you can take off. Doesn't feel nice, it really doesn't. And then you can insert your SD card and your SIM card right here. Why did I get this phone in the first place? Well, I want to do something very special to it. Well, I'll actually get some help to do something very special to it, and it's gonna modernize this phone quite a lot. So, as I said, I told you something about a USB-C port. Maybe it'll get that, but there'll be more. So take this time now to subscribe to my channel to not miss any videos about it. And there might be something in it for you. And I'm really sure for all of the subscribers that chose to subscribe to this channel and we all have the same interests, I really think you don't want to miss that because it's quite special. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. And by the way, while we're at it, make sure to follow me on my social media channels. Instagram, which has a new name, a dedicated Instagram channel. You can see it right now, and my X profile. So let's dive right in to the phone. So let's turn it on for the first time. I don't know if it does have any juice left, but we'll see. So as I thought, there's no juice left. So let's get a USB cable. Oh, and there's the red notification light coming up. I actually really like the design of the white BlackBerry Passport. I thought I would hate it, but it's something new, it's something different. It's fresh if we compare it to the BlackBerry Silver Edition Passport that I have here. It is quite a bit shorter. Not quite a bit, a little bit. The keyboard is different. The notch or the top part of the phones are definitely different. The back sides, of course, are different. We have a round lens here. It's rubberized on the Silver Edition, and it's quite a hard plastic on the white, but it does feel nice, I have to say. And it feels like it's more squared off. Even though most of the parts are made out of plastic, it does feel premium, especially because of that metal frame you have around here. So let's just wait for the phone to start. Well, I could do a little typing test. Yeah, it does seem like the spacebar is a little soft, but maybe I have to get used to it. It's not as clicky as the BlackBerry Passport Silver Edition, if we compare it. There's the logo. And it's starting up. And I always liked that you could just tap and hold on the logo and it told you how many percent it's already started up. And there we go. Welcome to my BlackBerry. It's in German. I'll do it in English for you guys. Okay. Welcome to BlackBerry. Okay. Yes, of course, we agree to everything. Yes, we'll skip that part. Let's see if we can actually connect. Okay, we'll enable this one. Initial setup is complete. Continue. Okay, swipe your fingers. We can do all the gestures the Passport has, so we can do the touch sensitive keyboard, which was very nice. Okay, we'll scroll to the bottom of the message. Great. Continue, tap here to try. So actually very nice tutorial here. So you can just leave the clock. You can pull up from the top to the bottom. Okay, nice. And we're in. We actually didn't really need to activate it, which is nice. So this is the phone. And we're in. This is the BlackBerry Passport, which is setting itself up. So as I said, there will be something happening to this device, so make sure you subscribe to my channel to not miss anything. You really don't want to miss this one. It's kind of special and I'm very, very, very excited for it. And before I end this video, I really want to thank all of you for watching my last video. It has 150,000 views at the moment after just 5 or 4 days, which is absolutely crazy and mind-blowing for me after like 4 years of not making any videos. So it's great to be back. I'm motivated to make new videos because there's so many news about BlackBerry phones, physical keyboard devices, and so many special phones coming out. So yeah, I'll be here and I'll try to get life into this channel again, but it seems like it already worked. I'm very thankful for all of you being here. So thank you very much. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye. And I have to open a window. It's getting so hot in here. So goodbye.